Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. She totally did that on purpose. I need something to drink. Oh, I didn't like tomato. Fine. No. How do people eat so fast? How do they eat so fast? How do y'all people do this? Chicken nugget. Oh. Woo! Don't get hit by a truck. Yo. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Bro, I can't get this open. Hey! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes, thank God. Okay, what do I want? A mac and cheese? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Ah! Fry.
Oh, back here playing Grassy Road. There's so many cars.
Oh my God. Bro, I don't get this open. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Fudge.
Can I make it? I'm making it. Stop it. Stop.
There's so many cars. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Thank God. Thank God. I need something to drink. Ah, she's coming. There's no way we finish this food. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, little Morgan. This is my workout for today, y'all. Oh yeah, go. How do you breathe? I'm doing it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Fudge. I think I figured out her strategy. There's so many cars. Bro. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Fudge. Let me let them pass. Tomato. Oh yeah, I meant to ask that for no tomato. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Thank God. Eat the tomato. Y'all, I am dying right now. Actually dying. Get some salt. Oh. I'm done. Are you done? Yeah. I can't. I'm unwell. Food, baby. My legs itch. Oh yeah, because you've been running. Okay. That was it. That was our... What is this even called? I'm unwell. I don't know. I'm unwell. As you can see, we need to do more cardio. And maybe get our stomachs a little bit bigger. Oh my.